What beautiful sunshine today. This is fantastic. And I am making a Turkish chicken stew. Oh, it sounds really good. I have not tried it myself yet, but I am super excited and I thought I will share it with you as well. And this recipe is inspired by the lovely lady called Molasses, and I haven't met her, but I have seen her amazing food on Instagram, and I saw this recipe there and I thought I really want to give this a go. Her Instagram is Molasses Cooks. I will leave the link in the description box, and I saw this picture and it was beautiful. Obviously I have changed a couple of things because I didn't have the ingredients at home, but I am going to give this a go and hope you will enjoy it. So just going to get some oil in a pan. I'm using rapeseed oil and I'm just going to bring it, make it nice and hot. Once it's nice and hot, I've got some chicken thighs. So the chicken needs to cook for maybe 6-8 minutes to get lightly golden. And I'm just going to chop 2 largish onions, just roughly chopped. So this is looking, oh, lovely. So I'm going to get these out on a plate. I'm just going to leave all the juices behind. Now we have got the liquid, oil, everything left. I'm just going to put the onions, cook for 10 minutes. Now goes in a heaped teaspoon of harissa paste, a heaped teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of allepo pepper. Just coat it for a few seconds. And 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and a good handful of fresh parsley leaves, and also going to grate 4 garlic cloves into this, and then just mix it, cook it for a few seconds. So I've got 2 stock cubes that go in first. 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses. Look at the glorious dark color of this. And now I'm going to fill this up with 2 liters of boiling water. Just look at the color of this onion mix. It smells amazing. And now is the time to add in all the chicken pieces. So all of these go in here and I'm going to stir it well. In goes a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of lemon juice, then I will add in this lovely stock, 2 liters of stock mix that we made. And now I'm going to season this. Good teaspoon and a quarter of salt. Now mix it well, and what I'm going to do is just bring it to a boil, then cover and simmer this for 40 minutes. Now I have got here 3 carrots I'll roughly chop and a large potato I will cut into cubes. 40 minutes later, oh my god, that looks amazing. Look at that bubbling away. And now I'm going to add in the potatoes and carrots, and then I'm going to cover and cook this for another 30 minutes. Just very low heat, simmering away So I've put 2 potatoes. One was not enough, so I've added 2. Oh, this is going to be heavenly. Okay, so let it all soak in, and now cover. Now 30 minutes are up. I'm just going to add 100 grams of fine green beans. I've chopped them up in half, and just going to cover and cook this for last 5 minutes. This is smelling insanely good, and I cannot wait to serve this up. It just is a whole hearty meal which is going to be full of flavors and absolutely delicious. So I've cooked with the beans for 5 minutes, and now I have turned the hob off, and I'm going to let it rest for half an hour. This is on our table, which I'm sharing with some friends, and everyone is going to tuck into this now and enjoy this hearty chicken stew. Oh, this is piping hot. The chicken is just falling off the bone, and I hope to sit down and enjoy this with my friends a bit later. You can have this with some rice, or as I am going to eat it with some sourdough to soak up all the sauces. My God. This is such amazing comfort food, I tell you, seriously. Absolutely beautiful. The flavors are so perfectly balanced, and that stew. The potato pieces are broken up slightly, which is making it nice and thick. I am not going to talk anymore because I want to sit down and enjoy this hot. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now.